Have you ever wondered how rings are made? Well, sit back as I pierce the veil of secrecy and show you exactly what's behind the curtain. I just gotta be quick before the powers that be discover what I'm doing here. Step 1. Get some goldenrod. If you don't have any goldenrod, you're gonna have to make some. I covered this in a previous video. Step 2. Using a mirrored hammer, strike the metal repeatedly. This will compress the crystalline structure and help you assert dominance. Failure to complete this step can result in obstinate metal. Step 3. Pass the metal through the rhombus dies on the manual scrunching device. After a few passes, it will start to become a long cube. Further reduce the metal gradually. Step 4. Prepare the metal for concentric bending by scrunching it further on the parallel dies. This will convert it into a rectanguloid of considerable length. It may get so excited that it begins to pre-curve, so be sure to temper its expectations manually. Step 5. Do you know the desired ring size? If you don't, just use the loops on this thing to figure it out. Step 6. Do this math and keep the numbers somewhere safe. You will need it for the journey ahead. Be careful though. There are numbers that should be feared and respected, such as the number 19. It is a prime number, a keystone number. 19. Once you notice it, you will start seeing it everywhere. Step 7. Cut the metal rectanguloid's length to that number. You do remember what that was. You did keep it safe, right? Step 8. Make sure you didn't screw it up. I recommend using an electric ruler to check your progress. Step 9. Gently persuade the metal into compliance with parallel pincers. This is the point where your metal could decide to be obstinate with you. Step 10. Force the metal into compliance with a soft hammer. Step 11. Apply shielding gunk and sacrificial metal pellets to the ring, then get it really hot. I recommend using fire for this step. Step 12. Place the ring on an oversized steel finger and hit it some more with a soft hammer. You may need to use a lot of force to crush its dreams and make it conform to this late-stage capitalist nightmare world of ours. Step 13. Rub the ring with a sand-encrusted stick to remove any blemishes or imperfections. Step 14. Sand it more, but look inwards this time. Real beauty is on the inside, so you better make sure you remove any imperfections there too. Otherwise, it might not be advertiser-friendly. Step 15. Use a silicone cylinder to make those innards even smoother. Someone will be jamming a finger up in there, so you want to make sure it feels optimal when they do. And finally, step 16. Apply a final finish. You'll have to figure out what one you like best, but be careful. If you get too weird with it, you might upset the cultural elite. And that's it. You now have a ring. Remember to use this power responsibly. Or don't. I'm not your dad.